Just like in a chess game in life, you have many opportunities and many choices, and it doesn't mean that one is the right choice or not. You just have to make a decision, and you make that best decision you can. I appreciate so much how your heart there was for what is the long-term best benefit that I can see for each student, each kid. Now, when you apply that to life and you go, okay, so 20 years from now, what's my goal? And how does this align with that? And you can apply this kind of thinking. And another element that I think you mentioned here or touch on without even saying it, but I've found to be so true, is anytime you say yes to something, you're automatically saying no to something else, because our time is a limiting factor. We all have the same amount of time. And so you have to choose wisely and carefully what you do. And obviously, I'm an advocate for learning chess, playing chess, and getting the benefits of it. But even more, I'm an advocate for doing that in your life. And in many cases, that can be going to a certain level in chess and then saying, you know what, I've gained the benefit there. And for a few people, it means let me go even further and let me pursue that master title and do that and achieve there. And that's totally fine in a personal choice. But just making that choice consciously and intentionally versus letting life happen to you.
Well, and two examples come to mind. A couple of years ago, I got to interview Robert Ferguson. He's the state attorney general for Washington State. And in the interview, he just says how chess has benefited his decision making on a legal level because he's a lawyer. And he reached, master title. Yeah, the skills, just thinking ahead, thinking 3 steps ahead. He applies that in his career and thinking about how he thinks, metacognition. He's doing that.